Prynawn dda, I wanted to record a quick message for parents and carers. These are difficult times, and I know all too well that trying to juggle your own work pressures and helping your child with homeschooling is no easy task. But you must remember, please don't be too hard on yourselves. You're not trained teachers. Just continue supporting the children in the best way that you can. Take breaks, go outside and take time away from the screens and do things that you enjoy together. So I want to say thank you. Thank you for all that you're doing to keep your families safe and your children learning. Teachers are working hard to provide your child with remote learning whilst at home, and there are also many resources available through our Hub platform, BBC Bitesize and S4C, which can help your child develop and continue learning vital skills whilst at home. And please speak to your child's school if you're worried about their learning needs or if you need help, because they're there to do just that, help you. This will not last forever. There is light at the end of the tunnel. It is my priority to get all children back into schools as soon as the science tells us that it is safe to do so. Until then, please be proud of what you're doing every day to keep Wales safe and to keep Wales learning. Diolch yn fawr.